So we're doing a retrofit. Jared here is doing a retrofit on this Mazak, and it has 230 volt DC servos. What year is this?
It's 1985.
85, okay. So we have it retrofitting here. He's got Dynomotion.
Yeah, Dynomotion, closed loop.
Double closed loop.
Yeah,
yep.
Double closed loop.
And it's a big machine. And I got three Viper 265 drives here. There's 2 in it right now, but they're running the machine fine. And this is the Dynomotion board.
This is the K-flop board.
K-flop.
K analog to accept the encoder signals.
Yep.
For the encoders on the ball screws.
Yeah.
And we have a step and direction signal coming with a Cat 5 to the Viper servos. Okay. And this is Larry Kenny, by the way, who designed the Vipers. I'm gonna put it on my website. So 230 volt DC. Show them the, show the Vipertune. Okay, do that little cycle thing there. Yeah, we'll do a cycle and then we'll flip the Vipertune to check the error.
Yeah.
And that's out of 8,000.
Do it again, hit the cycle again. So on 8,000 steps per turn on the encoder, a 2,000 line multiplied by 4, we have a low error of 15 when it's moving, which is really good. This machine's in really good condition too, though. And we'll go around to the servo motor. There. Here's the DC servo. This is a Japanese machine, so it's a high voltage machine. And the power supply is running 230 volts, is it?
Yeah, 230 volts.
231 volts. Anyway, it's a gantry style Mazak.
I could actually run at a higher voltage because there's a secondary tap on the transformer.
Yeah.
So it's at 150 AC coming in whenever the conversion is, and I can bump it up to 150 to 180, so whatever that